Hello guys, welcome to the channel, The Beast from Punjab. In this video I'm going to do the review for a GoPro style camera. But it's a GoPro, not the Hero one, but I can tell you the differences. I will provide you the spec, as you can see that on the screen. But for the time being, I will show you I'm doing just unpacking. Well, I'm showing the unpackaging of the product, and then you can see the product itself. Okay, so here is the product. Right, as you can see, it's a product of Wolfgang. Maybe I haven't pronounced it correctly, but yeah, this is what it is. It's a very good product. Well, I haven't tried, but based on that, what I have, the spec I have read, and the kind of qualities they have been telling, based on that, it looks very good. But until I don't use, I cannot say whether it's good or not, right? As I showed you in a previous video, I actually used the charger, and you cannot give a review of something until you haven't used, right? But this one is more like unpackaging the new product, really, not giving the reviews. But I will give you all the spec and stuff, and I can tell you whether you can use, or what kind of product it was, whether it's good or not. But once I start using, then I will give you another review and tell you whether you should buy or not. Okay, but let me do this, the unpackaging for this product. Let me just open it. It's just hard to unpack. So here it is. It comes with a quick start guide, user manual, that's standard. Let's check first the accessories. Oh yeah, by the way, I was gonna say this product comes with a 1-year warranty. So in case if you have any problems or issues like that, you can actually tell them, and you can return this product as well. So yeah, this one comes with so many different kind of products. But I will go through it in a bit. Let me just take them out, all of them, and then I will show you what it's all about. So we can see in the video, there's quite a lot of accessories. But yeah, this one's empty now. And first, let me show you the camera. Okay, here is the camera. Looks good. And as you can see, it's in a protected case. Probably need to learn it myself, really, how I can do the different things, really. And this is like a kind of a jack, or the stand where they can put the things when I put on kind of a stand to record the videos. But to do the next, I think this is how you're gonna bring the camera back out. I think it stays in this one just to be protected. So this is more like a protection one, so you keep as it is. And this one, yeah, it has showed all the information on this, right? I'll just keep it shut at the moment. But yeah, you just remove these covers, and then yeah, here you go, it will start. But I'm gonna put the batteries in. So to put the battery in, I need to go in here. They're lithium batteries, which comes with this product, which is standard anyway. And I just got to figure it out, really. I'm just on the same page as you are. But yeah, I used the Hero before, GoPro Hero. It was good, but I think they're very overpriced, to be honest. But I just wanted to see what's in the budget, whether that is feasible for anyone to use it, really, or what are the differences, which one is better, and so on. But yeah, in this one I'm just trying to use to making sure that, you know, I just try different kind of products and just really, you know, try it. But I'm just trying to find out how can I and the product smells very weird, but oh, here it is. So yeah, it's out, as you can see. Now let me just open this. I think that's more like a charging side. Yeah, as you can see, it's the charging bits. And to put the battery in, I think it's gonna go up in here. Yeah, it will go up in here like this. And lock it, and then you can turn on from here. It's a good screen, actually. I like that. Let's say English. Oh, I hate these kind of things. The month is 8, no, 9 now. And the date is, I think it is 5. Yeah. And the time is 9:40. It's very standard, really. I think it's quite good to change the timing and stuff. I think slightly up to, yeah. Okay. And this one is date format. I would say less this one, because that's the UK style. All data, no. So here you go, it started, right? Just to let you know that it is 20 megapixel camera. Looks quite good so far. But yeah, I will try, and then I will let you know whether. Oh yeah, by the way, it's got Wi-Fi in it, and also it's got remote control as well. But I will show you that in a bit. But this is what it is all about. Okay, I'm gonna turn this one off because I can show you the rest of the things. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me just put this one back in. Oh, this one's back in. Now let's lock it. Put it back. Okay. Now these are the straps. Basically just for protection. You can put that on your hand and then put the straps on and just, you know, secure the device so nobody can steal it from you. That's another battery. I'll just keep that on the side. So it comes with the 2 batteries. That's another, I think the case comes with it. In case if the other one is break down or something is fallen, then you can replace it. Then yes, it comes with the standard mic, which is you can connect it directly to the GoPro, and then, you know, you can use it. Yeah, it just you know, noise cancellation and stuff like that. So it's quite good. But I like the wireless one. I will give you the intro review on that. That's just a cleaning material. That's another jack, I would say. You know, if you want to put on a bike or something like that, then yeah, just a couple of different kind of items. Same like this here. That's like if you want to put on a stand, you just screw the stand up in here. I think it's gonna be here somewhere. There you go. That's one, I think. I'll figure it out. As soon as you're probably gonna check it. That's another strap which you can use. one is for the cycle as well. That's the one is for the charging. You got to charge the battery. That is the remote. So if you want to record something and you put it on a far away, you press this remote button and it will start recording and stuff. So which is very good. There's all the mounts. There's gonna be bike mount, some other ones. I just got to figure it out which one is what and how does that work and stuff. And then I can probably tell you, what it's really used it for. But yeah, they got a different mounts for a different use. That one is if you have a mount you have attached to it. That's for your I would say the shirt or t-shirt if you wanna switch it to. And I think this one's gonna be very, very useful for me really, in case if I don't want to use anywhere else. But I just got to figure it out how will I use any of these mounts and how I would connect this, because it looks very weird really. But yeah, I wouldn't know how to use it until I read the books, and then from there I can make it some sense. But yeah, this is the product I have bought, but these are different things which I gotta check. But yeah, these are the main ones really, which you haven't seen it. Different things comes with a different way to use. But yeah, I think it's given a lot of accessories with these kind of things. It's a brilliant product. Well, I cannot say whether it's a brilliant product, but it looks good. But I just got to use it and then I can give you my review and to whether buy it. But if you still want to buy and you're interested for it, then I have saved a link in the video. Please go and check yourself. If you're interested, you can buy yourself. All right, thanks for watching the video, and hopefully I will show you another review very soon, and giving you the review of this product, saying whether that is good or not. By the way, this one I bought it very cheap. Well, I wouldn't say too cheap, but it's just like I bought it for £40. So I think it's way better than you go with the GoPro Hero 5, 6, whichever you call it, or 8. And I think there's a 9 and 10 now. But yeah, I'm not pro into these kind of products. Or no, I'm not a cameraman either. But I just thought, if you're interested, if this product can give you the same kind of the result as GoPro Heroes and the other ones, then why you want to spend so much money on those and just use the standard one, because they're doing the same job, right? Oh yeah, by the way, you can put that in the front of the car, so it's gonna record all the information. I got to check the battery still, how long the battery will last, and I will give you the review whether the battery lasts longer or not, because generally what I have found is that non-standardized or non-branded products batteries last a little longer. Often I have used it, but yeah, I will use that. I will give you a review again. But yeah, thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and see you again. Bye.